This is my review of the ECOVACS DEEBOT M80. I live in about a 1,500 square foot ranch. The hardwood floors, you can see, it has area rugs throughout the house as well. It also has a long-haired dog, which is the main reason I got this. I used it about every other day. It vacuums, also has a mopping cleaning solution. This is the packaging it came in, which was packaged very well, of course. You can see the mopping attachment, 2 spare cleaning bristles or fans, the cleaning solution, different mop cover. See, compared to I had the N78, the older model of this before this one. So compared to that, the biggest difference is the spinning bristles used as opposed to just a section hole that the N78 has. It also has this intense mode, which the N78 did not have. It just increases the strength of the vacuum. But it has a lot of the other same vacuuming modes, like the intent or edge, spot. You can schedule the cleaning as well. It also has bigger wheels, and so it can actually traverse tougher surfaces. It goes over like the area rugs a little smoother. It also has a larger dustbin. You'll see another big difference from the N78 is the remote. You can see the one on the left is the M80, the one on the right is the N78. So it has that screen, which just makes scheduling the cleaning much easier. Also just a little bit easier just to handle that remote. My favorite aspect of this is the intense mode. I think it just, like I said, it vacuums fine in auto mode, but just the intense mode just seems a little bit like a stronger vacuum. That's what I like most about it. Thanks a lot.